School. I am Mahia Banu, a faculty of Huda National School and MMU High School. First of all, I wish you a happiest Kannada Rajyotsava. We are proud to be a Kannadigas. It is our immense pleasure to welcome to mementos our occasion, the inauguration of our school houses and flag presentation program. We are duly honored by the presence of our esteemed dignitaries seated on the dais. We are your hosts for this exciting program, and I wish everyone a day of spirited celebration and vibrant new beginning from our houses. So let's begin the program with Munajat. Before presenting the Munajat, I request all who are present here to please give a standing ovation. Parents, children, teachers, and all the dignitaries on the dais. Please welcome recitation leader Hamad Muzammil from grade 6 and Alia Banu from grade 7 to lead the recitation.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Jamadar sir, and guest of honor, Mrs. Seema Jamadar, please step down to bless our captains with insignia and flags. And cautioning our school coordinators to assist our guest of honor and chief guest. It's a time of getting post. I would like to call
Head boy Mohammed Huzaifa from grade 10 and Sunaina from grade 10. You both please come forward to receive your insignia and flag.
After a keen observation, school administration have selected these outstanding students as our school head boy and head girl.
Their dedication, commitment, diligence, and academic performance make them role models and deserving leaders.
Requesting Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Fazil Rahman Jamadar sir, to groom our head boy with insignia and hand over the ceremonial stick.
I request guest of honor, Mrs. Seema Jamadar, to groom our head girl with insignia and present the flag.
Come up, beta.
Blessing them with the post, and thank you ma'am for blessing them with the flag.
Congratulations, Mohammed Huzaifa and Sunaina, to obtain a post. May your flag shine like a sunshine.
cautioning captains, it's a time to get your post.
So, captains, come forward to receive your insignia and flag.
Come forward on the beats. Come forward on the beats. Captains, move ahead. Presenting Captain Syed Mateen and Vice Captain Shafia from House Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
I request Chief Guest Mr. Fazle Jamadar sir to bless our Captain Mateen with insignia and flag. Requesting Guest of Honor Mrs. Seema Jamadar to present our House Captain the insignia and present her the logo of our house. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu.
Presenting the Captain Suhail Pasha and Vice Captain Kulsum from House Hazrat Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala.
Requesting Chief Guest Mr. Yafa Jamadar sir to bless our Captain Suhail with insignia and flag. Requesting Guest of Honor Mrs. Seema Jamadar to bless the Vice Captain Uday Kulsum with insignia and present the House logo board. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Presenting the Captain Muhammad Farhan and Vice Captain Zoya Fatima from House Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziallahu Ta'ala anhu. I request Guest of Honor Mrs. Seema Jamada ma'am bless our Vice Captain Zoya Fatima with insignia and present her House logo board. much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Parade. कदम डाल, शुरू कर. Presenting Captain Ali Pasha and Vice Captain Afreen Taj from House Hazrat Ali Razillah Ta'ala. Please move forward to receive your insignia.
I request Chief Guest Mr. Fazlul Jamadar sir to bless our Captain Ali Pasha with insignia and flag.
I request Guest of Honor Mrs. Seema to bless our Captain Afreen Taj with insignia and present her house logo. Captains, turn back.
Many congratulations to all captains and vice captains to obtain your post.
Thanks a lot, sir and ma'am, for blessing them with insignia, flag, and house logo boards. Captains, move ahead. Captains, your hard work and dedication have earned you these important posts. I look forward to your leadership in making our best. Congratulations once again.
Sincere requesting all the dignitaries of the dais, please step forward to see our parade. The performance of parade, please requesting all the dignitaries of the dais, please step down. Coordinators, please assist the all dignitaries to take their positions.
Now, head boy Muhammad Huzaifa and head girl Sunaina will join the parade.
Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, the
In the
most
name of
gracious,
Allah,
the most merciful.
The most merciful.
Today we stand before Allah,
we stand before Allah,
our teachers,
our teachers,
and our school community
and our school community
to pledge our faith, our integrity, and our service
and our service
as true Muslim leaders.
as true Muslim leaders.
We promise to
We promise to
lead with sincerity,
lead with sincerity,
to act with honesty,
to act with honesty,
to speak with truth,
to speak with truth,
and to serve with humility. We shall strive to uphold the honor and values of our school, guided always by the teachings of Islam and the Sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We pledge to be just like Abu Bakr As-Siddiq radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, in humility, brave like Hazrat Umar bin Al-Khattab, Hazrat Umar ibn Al-Khattab radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, encourage fair like Ali ibn Abi Talib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, injustice and generous like Usman Ghani radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, charity and modesty. May we lead with the wisdom of Khatija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, and the purity of Fatima radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, and may we inspire others through knowledge, compassion and good character. We promise to work for the unity among all our houses,
to
to build teamwork,
teamwork,
discipline,
discipline,
and respect.
and respect.
We shall
We shall
guide with kindness,
with kindness,
serve with love,
serve with love,
and shine
and shine
with the light of
with the light of
faith.
faith.
We seek
We see
Allah's guidance
Allah's guidance
in every decision
in every decision
we make,
we make,
and His pleasure
His pleasure
in every action
in every action
we take.
we take.
O Allah,
O Allah,
bless
bless
our school,
our school,
our teachers,
our teachers,
and our companions.
and our companions.
Grant us
Grant us
strength
strength
to fulfill
to fulfill
this trust
this trust
with honesty
with honesty
and excellence.
and excellence.
Ameen.
Ameen.
Captain Mateen. All captains together come forward.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. House of Truth. For House of Truth. House of Truth.
Pratik, come forward.
Hazrat Abu Bakr
Hazrat Abu Bakr
radiyallahu ta'ala anhu.
Radiallahu Ta'ala anhu.
We pledge to
We pledge to
uphold
uphold truth
in all our
with all our words
and actions
and actions,
with honesty
with honesty
in our hearts
in our hearts
and faith
and faith
in Allah.
in Allah.
We promise
We promise
to lead
to live
with humility
with humility
and sincerity, standing firm for what is right,
For what is right,
no matter
no matter
the cost.
the cost.
Now Suhail, come friend.
Presenting captains Suhail, Vice Captain Kulsum. Come forward to oath from the house Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu.
We, House of Justice,
House of Justice
inspired by
inspired by
Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu.
Radiallahu Ta'ala anhu.
We pledge to be just
Just
and fearless
and fearless
in our
in our
duties.
duties.
We will
We will
lead with
lead with
fairness
fairness
and
and
discipline.
discipline.
Speak for
Speak for
what is right
what is right
and act
and act with
with integrity.
integrity.
May Allah
May Allah
grant us strength
strength
to stand
to stand
firm
for
for justice.
justice.
Captain Farhan and Vice Captain Zoya. Come forward to take your oath.
Okay. Hazrat Usman. House of Generosity,
House of generosity
inspired by
inspired by
Hazrat Usmane
Usmani
Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala
Radiallahu Ta'ala
anhu. We pledge to serve others with open hearts.
with open hearts.
We shall
We shall
we shall show kindness, modesty, and compassion, helping those in need and giving without pride. May Allah make us generous in spirit and humble in service.
Presenting Captain Rehan Pasha and Vice Captain Afrin Taj. Please come forward to receive your robe.
House of Wisdom,
House of Wisdom,
inspired by
inspired by
Hazrat Ali
Hazrat Ali
ibn Abi Talib,
ibn Abi Talib,
Radiallahu Ta'ala anhu.
Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu.
We pledge to seek knowledge and act with wisdom. We will lead with understanding and patience, spreading light through learning and good character. May Allah bless us with wisdom that benefits